Welcome to Unstitching ADHD or Barnett Talks. I'm your host, Dr. Stanley Ekiyor at the Barnett Elementary School in Rochester, New York. And we are having conversations about ADHD with parents and teachers, trying to create not just awareness, but the need for collaboration to create an enabling environment for our students with ADHD. Stay tuned as we have these conversations. Thank you. It's about attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, otherwise known as ADHD. What we are doing here is creating awareness with both the podcast and a YouTube channel to help our parents to understand ADHD. It's different way of learning. The more we know, the more we can ask the right questions. So if you scan this is a CDC, evidence-based website to help you know what to do, what's going on, how to ask the right questions. Then this, if you have phone and you scan it takes you to my YouTube channel. These are the strategies you can use to do that. This one says why children with ADHD need structure and routines. So it tells you different structures you can do at home to help the child. How you can plan. For instance, if it's a child that always forgets to take their backpack to school, it has strategies like at night, let's put everything together, put it by the doorknob. So when you're stepping out, you see.
Right.
You see, so you can help them with those type of things. Now they begin to understand and learn those strategies as they're growing. Most times before your child's primary care provider, you have about 15 minutes or so. What should I be looking for at home? How can I support the kid at home? How can I work with the school so that my kid can get the best? Hi, how are you? If you have your phone, we have our channel where you can get a lot of information, bring in different professionals, and tell stories with strategies to help parents and educators. Awareness is key. If you subscribe, anytime we upload anything new, it will alert you. So if it's something you are interested in, you listen to it. And all these different flyers tell you something about that. When you get home and you scan this code, all these links, the CDC, National Institute, all those, you have tons of information. So what you know helps you ask the right questions. Exactly, to advocate for the kids. If we know it, then we can help our kids at this level. We will not feel like it's a problem. We'll see that it's a different way of learning. Join us as we continue to talk about ADHD, trying to unravel the complexities of ADHD. So as we round up today's activity, please keep the conversation going. Keep talking about ADHD. Our kids deserve the best.